recording. Now it should be fine. Okay, today's topic is evening star and morning star. So this is a very, very interesting sharp pattern in terms of candlestick pattern, Japanese candlesticks. And if you are maybe prefer to trade for technical analysis and this is your trading setup, then I'm pretty sure that the morning and evening star formation is the best thing you can trade. At least from the world of Japanese candlesticks, I think there's nothing better than the 3-star formation of morning star and evening star. So let's go back here to my slides. First of all, of course, I need to say something about the risk disclaimer. Everything I talk here, I teach you and I show you is just for educational reason, and therefore we don't take any how can I say it, guilty for your financial losses or something like that, you know? Okay, so what is the webinar guideline for today? We want to talk about the morning star formation and evening star formation, what an entry should look like, and additional powerful tools for more success. So I will mention some things about. And of course, during the webinar, if you have some questions, use the chat box and I will have an eye on it. So this is the reason why Timo is not here today. Timo has some technical issues with his internet, and for this reason, I'm the only guy tonight, and I will have an eye on the chat box to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, what is the morning star? The morning star, general information about this, it can suit any trader's lifestyle because it can be traded on any time frame. And this is the main important thing to say about the morning star formation. It is a reversal pattern. So you can trade with this kind of pattern against the trend because the trend is most likely changing from uptrend to downtrend, or especially for the morning star formation, from a downtrend to an uptrend. Yeah, a downtrend in the recent history is needed. Very, very, very important, because if you have only an eye for the 3 candlesticks for the morning star formation, then of course you will find a lot of these patterns, morning star formations. But it is very, very important that in the recent history it was a downtrend. Otherwise it won't work out very good. So what you can see here, especially this 3 candles here, this is a morning star formation. The first candlestick, you can see it, this one, is a bearish one. And you can see here in the recent history, we have a very clear downtrend. Then this bearish candle here shows up, followed by a candle called like a doji or a hammer or a star formation. And this candle has usually a very, very tiny, or sometimes invisible body, because the body is very close, because open and close price are very close to each other, and for this reason the candlestick has almost no body, but a very long wick to the downside, very important. And this wick marks new lows. This low here is much lower than the low of the bearish candle. And these 2 candles are followed by a very big bullish candle. And usually this candle closes very close to the high of the candle. You can see here, this is the high, and here's the close price. So this entire formation, including 3 candlesticks, is called morning star formation, and it is very, very useful after a downtrend, because this indicates most likely the end of the downtrend. It is a reversal pattern, and it is most likely that the trend after this formation has shown up, that the market goes up again. So this is the morning star formation. Let's have a look at the evening star formation. The evening star formation is pretty much the same. Of course, it is not exactly the same, because we use this reversal pattern again on any time frame. It's suited to any trader's lifestyle, and the only difference is an uptrend in the recent history is needed, because it's a reversal pattern for upcoming down move. and we want to go short with the evening star formation, and we want to go long with the morning star formation. And here, this is evening star formation looks like this. Yeah, you have a very clear uptrend, especially these big boys here. Then a bullish candle followed by a bearish or a bullish, so it doesn't matter. But the only thing that matters is that the candle has a very small body and a very long wick to the upside, which marks new highs, very, very important. And this three-star or three candlestick formation is followed here with the last candle, the bearish candle. And usually the best thing is if the closing price is very, very close to the lowest price of the candle. You can see this here is absolutely okay. So this three candles here is called the evening star formation. And you should pay attention to that in the front or in the recent history, an uptrend was there. Okay, now maybe the best thing and the very important thing, sorry for the bad resolution here, so but it should be very clear what I want to show you. So you have here a very clear uptrend, yeah, marked with the green arrow here. Then we have the bullish candle, the doji, and the bearish candle. But now the question is, where should I enter the trade? And you should enter the trade at the low of the bearish candle, but only on the very next candle. So you need to wait for the very next candle, and you should, or you can put a pending order into the market with the sell stop at this level of the lowest price of the bearish candle. This is your short entry for this trade. And of course, you need to know where the stop loss is. And the stop loss is usually at the top of the formation. And this is the top of the doji, or the long wick of the middle candle of these three candlesticks. Here is the stop loss. And only the very next candle triggers the pending order. Yeah. If maybe you have the very next candle is something here and the lowest price doesn't touch this level, and only the next candle then touch this level, then this is not a valid entry. Yeah, you should only enter the market if the very next candle creates prices below or at this level of the low from this bearish candle here. So this is very, very important, because you need a kind of confirmation to enter the trade. And if the next candle goes up or sideways, or I can show you this here, for example, we have here a downtrend, then the morning star formation shows up, but the very next candle, this one here, doesn't touch the top here, because in a long setup, of course, the very next candle needs to marks higher prices than the absolutely high on this candle here. This is not the case here. Let me make it a little bit bigger that you can see it very clear. So this candle was not higher than this. And for this reason, we wouldn't have an entry here. Yeah, but in this case here, to show it again, we have this bearish candle, and the very next candle, very important, the very next candle touches this level, and then we are short. Stop losses at the top of the formation. And to take profit, for example, could be something like the next support level, or the next Fibonacci retracement level, or maybe a swing low, a very important swing low. You can, for example, take this as a take profit. You have several possibilities to trade this formation with a take profit level as you want. So and then I've mentioned here at the beginning, so powerful tools for more success. And one powerful tool is, for example, to have a look at the volume. And if the volume at this candle here is higher than the volume at this candle, then you have an additional confirmation for this formation or pattern, and then the success rate is even higher then. Okay, so this was the morning and the evening star formation. Do you have any questions about this? And of course, at the beginning, so some of you are maybe not there, I have put in here the course about this. And of course, in this course about technical analysis, we have a lot more. So I can show you Japanese candlesticks in general, then using candlesticks, single candlesticks, doji candlesticks, engulfing patterns. Now we had this triple candlesticks formation, morning and evening star, and then there are some others, 3 inside up and 3 inside down, triple candlesticks pattern, 3 soldiers and crows, and you can see here a lot of more. And now I can show you that this course is completely for free. So you can see it here. It's a free course and you can take this for absolutely nothing, but I'm pretty sure it has a lot of value for you and your trading. Okay, do you have some questions left? Then please let me know. Otherwise, the webinar will end. And if you only watch the video, because this webinar, of course, was recorded, then you can type us a message or write us a message, of course, not type, to support@tradimo.com. Okay, do you have some questions? I will give you a few seconds. Maybe you have some, then I can see you typing and wait for you. And after the webinar, I would appreciate if you can give us a rating, maybe a comment about this webinar. Maybe you have some wishes about future topics, and then let us know, write us an email or rate the webinar and give us some good feedback or maybe bad feedback. If it's your opinion, then of course it's absolutely up to you, but yeah, give us some feedback. We would appreciate it. Okay, I don't see somebody is typing, and then this means I wish you all a nice evening and see you next week. This was Matthias for Tradimo. Bye, guys.